Struggling to fit your unique project data into Zoho Sprints? There's a new feature you'll love.
You know the feeling, right? You've got project data, but just nowhere to put it. Look, the default modules are awesome, but sometimes they just don't cut it for your team's needs. And that's where custom modules come in. Keep all your unique data right inside Sprints.
Now, you get two distinct types of modules to play with. Let's break them down. Think of it this way. Global modules are for everyone. Project modules are for specific projects.
Okay, so how do you actually make one? Let's walk through the manual way first.
It's super simple. You just head to Settings, give your module a name, and start building.
But listen, while that works, there's a much cooler and way faster way to do this.
Yep, Zoho Sprints now has AI to build these for you. And honestly, it's a game changer.
This is where it gets really cool. Just describe what you need, and AI suggests the fields.
And get this, publishing your module is just the beginning. The real power is what comes next.
You can import data, lock down permissions, and even create some really powerful workflow automations. So you're basically turning Sprints into a platform that's perfectly tailored just for your team.
So the real question is, what are you going to build first with this?